Hello everyone, and today I am going to show you how to make a working fridge, and then I'll just play around and look at the world because I just made it. So this is what we're gonna do. It takes a while to load, so I'm gonna talk to you. So it takes a little bit to explore the world. I know that because this isn't going to be a long video. It's just going to be literally putting down 4 things, and then it's going to be done. Okay, so it's loading and it's generating the world. Okay, so this is the fridge. This is literally all you need. Get your dispensers, put them on there, and then this is your refrigerator, and the top is your freezer. And you could do something like this. Put a lever on it. Good. Do something like this. Put a lever on it. Whoops. Not there. There you go. Now you can get in. Grab whatever you want. And down here, it's gonna obviously throw out the block. So once you open the fridge, oh my goodness, what is it coming out of it? And there you go. How you make a fridge. A working fridge. Okay, so I built this little kitchen, and I haven't really seen around the world. So this is the best part to get like really flat lands. I'm gonna go back this way though, so I don't lose my spot. And yeah, guys, that was it for the video. And like and subscribe, please. I love it. Just smash that like button with your feet. Just stomp all over your keyboard or your tablet or whatever. Actually, that is a really bad idea. Don't do that. Just like the video. Like it with your face. So yeah. It's gonna lag a lot. That's a working fridge. Tell me if you like it in the comments. Comment down below what you think I should do in the future. And, well, I gotta say it. But I am retarded. I gotta say, bye!